Welcome back to Native English Advantage with me, Teacher Adamson. Today we're looking at a first conditional, a first conditional sentence. What is a conditional sentence? Quite simply, a conditional sentence is where you have a condition, and if this happens, you have a result. Condition, result. I'm looking at first conditional today. So first conditional we use for the following situations. We think it will happen, which also means that there's a high chance it will happen. This is the basic for a first conditional sentence. Now look at the structure, then we'll go into some examples. So what's the structure of a first conditional sentence? Very simple, basic structure. I'll use the red pen for this. Okay, so here we have if plus subject plus present tense, subject plus will can plus infinitive. So firstly we need to know what a subject is. Basically the subject does the verb, and the verb here will be the present tense, present simple or present continuous. Okay. And here we have subject again, and we have infinitive. Now infinitive is a verb, but it's the basic form of the verb, the original verb. So if I have the verb eat, we have eat, eats, ate, eaten, eating. But eat, no s, no eats. Eat is the infinitive, the original form of the verb. And this subject can be different to this subject because we have the comma here. This is the result, this one is the condition. Now, where we have the two halves, we have a comma here, half one, half two, we can swap the halves around. If we swap the halves around, then we lose the comma. So the comma here will now be null and void. We don't need it anymore. Okay. So I will give you a couple of examples, and I will write them above here. So I'll just clean this, and we see how this is used in written and spoken language. Okay, I'll use black for this one. So a very simple, easy example. I'll write it twice. Once this way, then once with the halves swapped around. If Billy comes to my party, I will be happy. Or I will be happy if Billy comes to my party. Now, we can see here in the first one that we have the comma. In the second one, we change the sides around, there's no comma. So, very simple. You have the condition. If this happens, then the result, this will happen. If Billy comes to my party, I will be happy. I will be happy if Billy comes to my party. This is a very basic, very simple lesson on the first conditional. There are actually 4 conditionals in English, then we have a mixed conditional which makes like a fifth. We have first, second, third, 0. I don't know why it's 0, not 4. And we have mixed conditionals. This is a very simple, very basic lesson on first conditional. This is Native English Advantage saying I hope you like the video and I hope you've learned something from it. Please practice. If you want me to do specific lessons on something, then please write a comment and I'll try and make a lesson for you on that specific grammar point, that specific English point. Please like and subscribe, and you can share. And stay tuned, because Native English Advantage with me, Teacher Adamson, will be back soon in the future with more Native English Advantage English lessons for you. Keep happy and stay studying. Bye-bye.